filming.
Today, on Nature Hikes with Guys, we're going to show you the beauty of the nature.
Cut.
Here you can see two insects having a mating session. I feel that it's the male on top, so it's the... I've never really had sex, so I don't know what the position's called, but it's probably the missionary position, if insects do that.
What are you doing up there?
I don't know, I thought I'd...
Get down. No, get off the hill.
Come, look. Here, this is where the fire pixies live. You can tell by the ash that they leave behind. They set the fires.
I don't think I like this shot.
This is the River Nile on its way to Cancun. It runs through Egypt, mountainside rivers, and nature preserves on which we are currently located in.
Wait, guys! It's our lucky days! Follow me! If you look here closely, you can see we have a wide clearing of dinosaur plants. Now, if you look closely, you'll notice that these plants
Get your head down. Get your head down in the shot.
You will notice that these plants are from the Cretaceous period, when dinosaurs roamed the earth. Dinosaurs like to eat